Hello and welcome to our channel. Okay, something magical is supposed to happen. I don't know what, but maybe I'll edit the video, maybe I won't. Anyway, so this is our first video. Welcome to our channel, everybody. My name is Romina. This is
Natalie.
and this is
Isabella.
and this is
Penelope.
and today we decided that our first video was going to be trying different snacks from Israel. We don't have that very many. We found these at our local Ralph's here. I live in California. And so we have sweet and savory types of snacks to try for you guys today and see if we like them, see our reaction, whatever. You guys know what I'm doing. So we have different kinds. We have these Bamba peanut snacks. To me, at first, I thought they were cheese, but they're peanut, apparently. Peanut snacks. You see that? Okay. And then we have Bisili barbecue, and I bought two by accident. I bought one once, and then different color though, right?
Yeah, I noticed that. And
Huh.
it doesn't have this thing.
Yeah, and this one has English writing, and this one does not. This one's like straight, except that's English and barbecue. Just the brand and the barbecue. But it looks like it's the same thing. Yeah. I mean, they're both from Israel. They're both barbecue. I guess we'll try them both and see if there's any difference. And then we have these, the same brand in pizza flavored, and they're like little cubes. The other ones are like twists. When I first saw them, I thought they were going to be cinnamon. I didn't even read that they were barbecue, but you know, I guess that's what it is. And then we also have chocolate flavored wafers. Who doesn't like those? Except we have these in like Mexican cookies also. But they're like chocolate on chocolate. I think we do have the white ones with the chocolate. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, if anybody remembers or knows for sure. Right now I can't remember. And then we have these things called sticks. One of them, this blue one, is milk chocolate sticks filled with milk flavored cream, and it's artificially flavored and has dairy. And then this one's a little special. This one is milk chocolate sticks filled with milk flavored cream and popping candies. Also artificially flavored. You know, we don't do this all the time. I don't want to hear you telling me stuff about my kids eating these snacks. We're all going to share them. We're not going to eat them all in one sitting. So on and so forth. If you want to keep judging me, I don't care. I'm not going to read your I'm just going to block you. Okay, so we have decided that we're gonna start with the Bamba peanut snacks and see how that goes. Does anybody have the water ready?
No. Yeah, it's right there. Oh.
On the floor?
Yeah,
You wanna
right
get
there.
it?
Here, I got it.
It smells like...
Let me smell it. Can I smell it?
To me, it kind of smells like Nutter Butters, but then also kind of like permanent marker at the same time. I don't know.
Wait,
Nutter Butters mixed with permanent marker.
Mom, let me see. Oh, yeah, it does.
Kind of a strange mixture of a smell, but
That's weird.
that's what it smells like.
The aftertaste is like permanent marker.
Peanut butter is not savory though. Should we save this for the end? Because this is not savory. This is...
What if it just tastes like
Let's just try it.
something totally?
Okay.
Okay.
Each of you grab one. Don't eat it yet. Okay. What does it taste like? Is it good?
Bottle.
Like butter?
Mmm.
They're very light,
It just
flavored,
tastes like, it's just
like straight
delicious.
peanut butter.
Except
And like a very light, fluffy rice cake almost.
Yeah. Yeah. It's delicious.
Lighter than a Cheeto. You know, Cheeto
Way
Puffs.
These are yummy.
Salty, like a peanut.
These are yummy to
Like
your
you just
tummies.
I think this is a baby snack. It looks like there's a kid with a diaper. I mean, I would feed this to my toddler. For sure. Because it's very soft, like a kid who, you know, is learning how to eat.
Like those baby
Except,
snacks.
I don't know if I think the rule here in California, well, when doctors really want you to introduce peanut or peanut flavored things, is and it's all natural ingredients in this one.
No wonder it's so good.
I think it's like 2 years old when you want, or one. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but. Okay, are we gonna do the barbecue or the pizza next?
Pizza. Barbecue.
Pizza or barbecue?
What do you want to pick?
What do you want to pick?
I'll try one. What do you want?
Okay. I want to try the barbecue ones.
I want to try the barbecue one too.
Okay, let's try the one that doesn't have any English writing except for the barbecue. We're going to try both, see if there's any difference. Okay, so this is the one that does not have...
Penny. No,
Wait for us.
Penelope, not yet.
Okay, this smells like noodles, like, you know, noodle cups, but not top ramen. This one tastes like Maruchan, like the
Tastes like?
smells like. I'm sorry. It smells like Maruchan,
Smell
Yeah,
like
it
that.
like the packets of Maruchan,
Yeah, but with a lot of flavor.
like the beef
2
Maruchan.
packets of, no, 4
Let them
packets
smell like.
of.
Okay, so everybody get one.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready, guys?
Let's try
Okay,
it.
try it.
It's really crunchy.
Yeah,
Really crunchy.
it's very, very
And
crunchy.
hard.
Ooh, I got a swelly.
Very crunchy,
That's it? Yeah.
dense.
Yeah, they're swirly.
It's a very dense chip. And yeah, very barbecuey, very mesquite tasting like.
And they're also
light.
small. Not big like turbos.
Yeah, and they are so good. They are so good.
The flavor is really, really delicious.
Ooh, this one is twistier one.
It really tastes like barbecue food. It doesn't taste like barbecue
Actually-
chips. It tastes like actual, like a barbecued something. Like something that was actually on the grill. Like the chari, I can taste kind of like a chari type of taste. I'm gonna see if there's any difference in the other ones.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like there might be a difference. This one smells different.
That does smell really different. Yeah. That one's like sweet barbecue.
Yeah, this one smells.
And that one was like,
Like, that's interesting. Don't eat it yet, okay? I want to drink some water first. You took my. Who did this?
oh, the straw was ripped. Yeah, it was it broke. So I changed. I
It was
about
only
to say
broken
it
from
was
the
broke.
tip, but okay.
No, from the middle.
from the
Okay. Here we go. Ready?
Set, go.
Same hardness,
Same flavor.
Yeah,
except it's lighter and a little sweeter.
and it's it's a large shape. I like it.
Same thing.
Okay,
But it
on
smells-
to the next one. Mom, come on.
More artificial.
On to the next one.
Okay.
Hey.
Hold on.
This one broke.
Mm.
Look, guys, this one broke. See?
Mine's not broken.
Can I have it?
Cheers.
I don't have a broken one. Look how they look. Little cubes with.
Yeah,
Cool.
look
I
at
don't have a
window.
broken one. See?
Yes, it's like a window.
I see,
see you.
I see.
Ahoy, matey. Wait, that didn't make sense. I don't.
Okay.
Ahoy,
Ready?
matey.
Ready?
Set, go.
They taste like you eat feet. Like you're eating feet.
You ate feet before? This is
I like it. I like it.
It's not too bad.
I enjoyed it.
It's different. It definitely has very heavily condimented flavoring, if that's even a word.
See? I don't have a Pokemon anymore. Haha.
I mean,
I feel like they do.
Yeah, they do smell like Dad's feet.
Wait, how did you hear that?
Okay,
The
you're
wasp.
right. Okay, on to the next one. On to the next
they
one.
taste very
On to the next one.
heavily on like cumin.
Mm-hmm.
Is it cumin that I'm tasting? Let me see what the ingredients are.
Look at my beautiful sweater. The Little Mermaid.
Mm.
We forgot to taste it. I mean to
It only
smell
says spices,
No, I think he smelled it.
but I think it's cumin. It's very strongly like cumin-y flavor.
These,
I love it.
guys, these are the best. They do not taste anything like pizza.
I think at first you're not expecting that flavor because it does not taste like pizza.
It is not.
It tastes like
different.
I've gone out to eat Israeli food, Indian food.
Persian.
I've had Persian food.
Southern Mediterranean.
Yeah, but this is not Mediterranean flavored. This is more of Persian
These are
condiments.
Are really
good.
Very good.
You hear me, guys?
Just,
They're good.
at first, it's not expected because I expected
Okay,
like
on
the
to
pizza
next
flavored
one.
stuff from here, like the Pringles. Yeah.
Big thumbs
It's
up.
weird because kids in Israel
Thumbs up?
actually, kids in Israel actually eat this stuff. It's weird.
Your
I'm
snacks.
excited now for the sweet stuff. I thought I thought that
The
was a
phone
dream.
fell.
Sorry.
No,
Somebody
The
dropped their phone. We're back.
Ant-Man escaped.
Okay. We're gonna try the wafers next because
Yeah.
why not?
because I said so.
Because.
Because I said so.
Yes, because my mom said so.
Okay. I'm trying to do this right and I'm already ripping it like everywhere. Okay.
Grandma knows how to open them. She opens them all the time.
She just grabs that
That's
part
right.
and then she rips it like this with her nails.
Yeah, but I think the packaging on these is different than the ones
Oh my
she
gosh.
eats. So,
Those
these
are
are
fat.
big.
I
Oh,
know.
no. It looks like it's like this, but no.
Oh, you crack it in the middle. Oh.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Okay. In the middle.
No!
Okay, Mom.
Cringy.
I know.
That's the Kit
I'm
Kat.
so cringy. It's just how much they love me. Okay. So how do you guys like to eat these? I have a way.
I have a way too.
I
Okay.
just tried it.
My
Do you guys
way.
want to know my way?
Yeah.
This is my way.
So I asked if you wanted to know my way.
Yes.
Okay. Somebody doesn't know their manners. Okay. So I like to eat them where I crack them. Like
That's
that.
weird. That's different.
And like that. And then I like to
Okay.
Very
mysterious. This is how I eat. And this is how I eat.
really. So the chocolate flavored is very light.
I love
I've
it.
never had American wafers before, so I don't know. I think maybe in a cake, like on top of a cake or something, I've had American wafers, but all I've ever had to compare these to is the Mexican kind. And the wafer itself, the cookie, is very thin. It's a lot thinner than the Mexican kind that we typically consume. And the chocolate flavor is a lot lighter in these. More natural flavory kind of, or more of a natural flavor for the chocolate compared to the Mexican ones. The Mexican ones definitely are very, very sweet and just sugar. It doesn't taste much like chocolate. This actually does.
It's real good.
Mm-hmm.
You have another one?
Mm-hmm.
I get another one. I like yours, Mom.
These are good because they're not overly sweet.
They're just right.
They're just, yeah, they're good. And I'm not a big sweets on like person,
I can't get
except chocolate. I do like chocolate, but I'm not like a cookie or.
I'm gonna try it your way, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Next thing you know, my cookie breaks when I do your way.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to eat another one.
You
Somebody
don't?
can have it.
It's
No,
good.
I'm not. I'm over it already. I need water. Even though it's not that sweet compared to the Mexican ones, I still am like. Can you stop pulling the cable? Accident number 2, because you keep pulling on this.
It just became darker.
Because it's darker now, and now we gotta hurry up because now we have really dark lighting because Penny already smashed it on the floor. On the thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna edit any of this. I don't care. Okay, moving on. If you're not done, you're not gonna try it, okay? Okay. Sounds good. If I can find out, open this.
Someone drink that water.
Yeah, I only had like twice. So if you want to go get a refill,
Bye. Be right back.
BRB. Which one's the one that has...
That's popping candy.
Oh, okay, let's try the original kind first.
I'm gonna show them inside.
You might want to move back to where you were, so when your sister comes back, she can sit back where she was. Okay, so this one you kind of open it like this. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Sorry, not sorry. I don't know what to tell you. My daughter knocked down the phone a few times, and it's darker outside now. Yada yada, yada yada, etc., 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 etc.
Exceed.
So it's like a packet with a bunch of wrapped
Sticks.
chocolates in there. Pretty cool. Oh, they all have like little art on it. They're so cute.
Look at mine. Ah. Wait.
Mine has
Yours?
a cow on it.
Oh, I mean, what you talking about? Willis. I'm
Pick a
gonna
random
show
for me,
you.
Mom. Pick a random.
I'll show you. I'll give you a random when I'm done showing the people.
This
On the
one's
blue
When
one.
I'm done showing the people.
okay.
Mommy, I want the blue one, okay?
Okay, I will give you one. I don't know which one I'm gonna give you. I'm just gonna give you a random one.
Sissy,
Yes.
random one.
Yes. Seriously. So there's all these different art thingies on them. There's that. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but they're so cute. They all have art on them. Okay, so Penelope wants the blue one. It's a little cow. You can't even see it because it's so dark. Can you see it? Oh, kind of. There. Cow. Here you go. Isabella, I'll keep the yellow one, which is also a cow. Hey, this looks like the lady from Candy Crush. Or Soda
Penelope?
Crush.
Penelope?
No.
I want green.
Mom?
Yes, that one.
Okay,
This one
here we go.
has a cow with a boy on top of it.
Mine
What?
has a cow with a little thing. I don't
Oh,
know.
and it has 4 cows.
You're supposed to break it, guys.
Ready?
I don't know what
Set,
mine's
go.
supposed to... Oh, wait. I'm not done.
Oh, it's cream filled.
Yeah.
I was not expecting this
Mhm.
at all. This doesn't have popping candy. Oh, that's not the one that we opened.
It's okay.
Chocolatey. Super.
Mm-hmm.
Very creamy. I was not expecting
Elite.
this at all.
You were not.
I wasn't expecting this flavor. I was expecting something really
You're
different.
cute.
Look at mine.
Yeah. I'm gonna save mine. Mine's cute.
It's like a little cow on the road. weird.
Wow.
It was
That was
Let's
a lot.
try the candy pop ones.
That
I
was
want the blue
definitely a
one.
lot.
I want the blue one.
That was definitely a
Creamy.
lot. Same thing over here.
I want a red.
I want the blue.
Same characters.
I know I want the blue.
Same thing. Same thing. Okay.
I'm excited about this one
Oh, this one's crashed.
because
I'll
this
do
one
that
has popping candy. I got the one I wanted. Yeah.
The blue one. No, I want the blue one.
I don't know. This is gonna
Mine
be able
has
to
a
focus.
cow with a balloon strap in his mouth.
Nah, pick a different one. I picked this one.
It's weird.
This one
And
is
then
like
mine
in a
is
show or something.
A like
I'm
cow
gonna
again.
unwrap mine.
Look at guys,
If you
mine
can
is
see
in
it, there's
a
a
show or
lady
something.
right there
See?
on top of it.
Mine is in a show or something.
I'm ready to feel sick here from all this stuff. I can't do this much sweetness.
And
Not
I'm
at one
excited.
time.
I'm really
Can I have
excited.
some water, Isabella? Please.
I'm really excited because this one has popping candy.
This one was already like broken-ish.
Can I try it?
1,
Wait.
2.
Penny, you're not in the frame.
1.
Ready? 1. You already... Is it good? Okay. Let's go.
This doesn't have popping candy.
Oh yeah, they're little beads.
Savage. Do I ever feed you?
No.
No?
I'm just
You're
kidding.
starving?
No. No, I'm not starving.
You know I'll feed you. I don't want any more.
Guys, these
good,
are
but-
so good.
She didn't bring her sweet tooth.
My favorite is the pizza.
I have to agree with you. My favorite snack out of all of them was definitely the pizza.
Mine was the chocolate
I'm
chips.
saving this. I'm saving
Oh,
these,
chocolate.
Mom.
I now have a stomachache from all this crap.
Mommy, I'm
Oh, I have
saving these.
stuck in my teeth.
From all this stuff.
These are so good, guys. These are so good.
I want to make something out of these wrappers. Natalie already folded one.
Sorry.
Okay, guys. Let's say bye to our fam bam. Because we totally have one.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I hope we weren't too dull or too boring for you. No, we weren't. No, we weren't. We're fantastical. Peace out. Good night. Good riddance. See ya.
Hello, world.